The Congress party and the top leadership needs to clear their position. Like I said, this is a sham condemnation by the Ladakh unit of the Congress party. Why are the top leaders silent, and why are they silent on Hussain Dalwai?
You know, because like I said, they themselves have set this precedent of maligning the image of our forces. Let's also go across to Pradeep. Absolutely shameful the way the former councillor of the Congress party can be heard describing the brutal attack on our soldiers and the foul language that he is using for the Prime Minister.
So, Swati, one thing is quite clear, that there is something really wrong with the Congress party, whether it was Hussain Dalwai, whether it was Salman Soos, and whether it's Zakir. It seems that their visceral hatred for Prime Minister Narendra Modi has grown to an extent that they have started hating their own motherland. If you look at this conversation between the Zakir and one of his friends in Kashmir Valley, what he's trying to berate Indian soldiers, he's trying to celebrate incursion of the Chinese troops. Second, he's trying to insult bravehearts. And third, he's trying to mock Prime Minister. He's talking about that what surgical strike, he keeps on talking about, where is their surgical strike. And fourth important point is that this is a very seditious statement from his side, where he's talking about disintegrating country. Every countryman's right now, the blood must be boiling with anger when they must be listening to this audio tape of this councillor from Ladakh. But the problem is that not a single statement has come from the Congress leadership side. How long this political vulturism and predating on the supreme sacrifice of our soldiers will continue? They want sabut. They will keep on belittling the sacrifice of our brave hearts, and they will in fact also try to divide country on the communal lines, and then they will talk about the disintegration. Now it is quite clear why Rahul Gandhi and many other parties have been sympathetic towards the Tukde Tukde gang in JNU. Reason is that there are many people with that Tukde Tukde mindset in the party. And see, within, as Pranesh was rightly saying, within 1 hour, they made Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary deleted his tweet when he had tweeted about the valor of the troops, and where he was talking about the capabilities of Indian soldiers, how to deal with the Chinese. But it is more than 3 hours, not a single tweet from their side. There is a complete silence from Congress party. And